Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we are melting chocolate. I'm showing you how to do this in the microwave. Easy peasy, eat lemon squeezy. Let's get to it, and then you can see how you can get this consistency and all of that jazz. Here we go. Hey y'all, what's up? So today we are using this chocolate. It is from Michael's. I don't normally use this chocolate, but this is what we have today. This is from, I believe it's called Sweet Fairy. You're gonna need a spatula. Now, because I know this is for my people who don't do this on a regular basis, I picked the spatula up out my utensil set. So that's all you need. You need a ceramic bowl, something that allows you to melt in the microwave without burning. Okay, so we're gonna pour our chocolate disc, because I use the disc. We don't use chocolate chips. Okay, we use chocolate disc. Those is what hardens after you melt it. Okay, we're gonna take our chocolate disc, put them in the microwave. I'm literally giving it to y'all blow by blow. Okay, we're gonna put it on for 30 seconds. That's it, that's all. And then we're going to take it out once 30 seconds is up, and then stir it. All right, now that our 30 seconds is up, we're going to take it out. As you can see, this is not the consistency that we're looking for, but you need to move the chocolate around so it doesn't stay in any hot spots of the bowl. So moving the chocolate around helps the heat, go throughout the whole chocolate, making the melting process a little bit easier. You don't want the chocolate disc just sitting in a certain hot spot. We're gonna pop that back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. All right, now that 30 seconds is up, we're gonna pull it out to see what it looks like. And as you can see, this is not the consistency that we were looking for. It does not come out smooth, guys. We have to stir it. So at this point, I'm gonna take over to the counter and give it a good stir, because the more you mix up the hot chocolate with the pieces that are not so much melted down, it starts to melt down. So you just take your time, stir it through, and you'll see that the technically not melted pieces will begin to melt down. As you can see, it's getting smoother and smoother. And yes, this video is sped up because it will take forever to show me stirring that stuff round and round and round. But as you can see, it has gotten smoother. Now we're just at the point of, is this consistency that we want? I don't like it this thick, so this is where I incorporate, the hidden gem, the secret, the coconut oil. Yes, and I've told you guys before, we do not use scented coconut oil. We use unscented virgin coconut oil. Organic, if you can. If not, that's cool too. So we're going to take our coconut oil, but before that, here's a PSA. For the people who comment crazy in my comments, this is just a tutorial. This chocolate is not being used for anything. I'm not making anything. I'm not making strawberries. This is not going to somebody. This is simply a tutorial for people who needs help on how to melt chocolate. So I'm going to use my fingers. It's not going to anybody. It's just a tutorial. Y'all gotta relax. All right, back to it. Put your coconut oil into your chocolate. And then after that, you're just gonna stir again. That one, as you can see, is the coconut oil is melting down. You just stir until all the oil is pretty much mixed in with the chocolate. We want to use oil-based items to incorporate the chocolate, never water. And as you can see, it's a little thinner. It's a little thinner, but this isn't the consistency that I like per se. Also, this is a different type of chocolate. Each chocolate is a little different. I could probably do a series on, how the each different chocolate melts. But for this one, I'm going to add a little bit more coconut oil and I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And then once that's done, I'm going to stir some more. And as you can see, we got the consistency that we want. If you want that series on different chocolates and how they melt and what you need to do to get the right consistency, let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace.